Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see the post on Patreon using a mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Patreon app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of any creator you are interested in. Tap on their profile when it shows up. Now here is the important part. When you are on a creator page, you will notice they have both paid posts and sometimes free posts. The free posts are unlocked, which means you can tap and open them without subscribing. This might include updates, behind the scene looks, or even previews of what they are working on. To make it easier, you can also use the filter option on their page. Look for the filter and select free post. That way you will see only the content that's available without a subscription, and that's it. You can repeat this for any creator on Patreon. Some creators use Patreon like a blog and share a lot of free updates, while others may post previews before asking for support. And that's it. That's how you find and enjoy free post on Patreon using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.